So hey, yo, what's up YouTube? Thanks for watching Cubit World. It's me UB, and in this video we are going to upgrade my previous setup. Yes, this is my previous setup. I know you guys haven't seen my setup before. So yes, this was my previous setup and it was looking good, but I didn't like the background and everything. So I just wanted to upgrade my setup into next level, like in a budget way. So I just took a budget of rupees 6,000 to 7,000 and I tried to make the best setup I could. So yes, watch the entire video and let me know below, comment down below that how was the setup at the last. You need to watch till end of this video. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. So yes, if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and also do subscribe to my channel. And without any further delay, let's move into the video. Let's go. Guys, finally we are in the next part. So this is the second part. We are going to color the wall that is behind yellow color, and we are going to change it to gray, a light grayish color. And let's remove we are going to remove all these things. We are going to color this. So first of all, see the setup how it was before. Like I was doing streaming, so I had to put this all things right here just for streaming. Now I have to remove everything. Let's do. So first of all, I have removed all the easy stuffs, like all the small things which were there on the table. I just removed it as they were disturbing me a lot. So yes, I just kept everything aside, like beside. So these are all the things, and now I'm thinking to remove all the paintings which are sticked in the wall and then remove my PC and monitor as well. So yes, first I'll remove all the stickers from the wall. So okay, I have removed all the pictures, all the things that were sticked on the wall. So it may help us to color the wall easily and there won't be any disturbance. So I just cleared the wall. So yes, now the next part is coloring. Let's go.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep my
So this is the first part and it does not look good because it is wet and the color is not completely done. Okay, finally another final update of painting. Yes. Woo. This looks amazing, like literally it looks really good. And about there is the tape, so I'll just remove it and let's see how it's gonna be. And yes, this is completely dried up and it's completely good. I just love the color and it's fine. I love it. So in this part, basically I just muted the video because in this part I was talking about a new product which I had been received, that is a Wipro Smart Light, and I was about to make a video on it, but there was nothing to say about the light. So I just changed my mind, and yes, I was not able to control the product in my hand. So I was not that my concentration was going on the product itself, so I wasn't able to talk properly in this video. So yes, that was the update I was giving. So let's see what I was talking next.
Plan is super cool, but I would execute in the same way. I hope the plan goes in a proper way. So let's see what's gonna happen, and yes, stay tuned. And if you haven't watched the previous light video, then go check it out because there's complete information given about this light, and yes, go and check it out.
Okay guys, finally we are completed with our work, like 90%, and I'm completely impressed with the work. And this is like in the screen it doesn't look much better, but yes, in real it looks awesome. Damn, amazing. I wasn't able to record videos of setting all these things just because we were completely tired of it. Okay, sorry for interruption. So basically, I just wanted to inform that in this point, I was talking like I thought that my setup was complete. Like I was completely mad, and I didn't remember that there is another product going to come tomorrow, the next day. So I thought that this is the final touch. So like a bit of lighting setup was to be made, but no, not at all. This is completely changed because we were not at all aware that another product is going to come, and we kept all the monitor and we set all the PC as we wanted, but this made us do a lot of work again because we had to remove again all the setup because of the next upcoming product. This is the next update, and I have set up the smart lights successfully. Like this is the one and that is the one. This is not yet set up, and here is the panel which I'm going to set up by after 2 days. Like Saturday and Sunday there is lockdown, so I won't be able to call any of the person to set up all these things. So this and this I've been waiting for 2 days. Like on Monday I'm going to set up all these things, and completely my setup will be done by Monday. It took me around 6 days, I think so, to complete the entire setup. Till now it took about 4 days. So at this point of time I was just saying that I have set up all the lights and all, but one thing I had a plan to put a panels behind the PC and then keep the smart light below PC and above PC. So but when the problem started is when I started to play a game in this particular setup. It was so terrible to play because the light was directly focusing in my eyes. Like I couldn't see my PC as the light was too bright under the PC. So I thought that why not, let's remove the light and let's try to keep it in another part or another side of the PC. So yes, this we can say that this is not at all a setup and there is complete change. So watch and let's see what's gonna happen. So now the final time has come. Now we are going to apply this panels. Yes, these are the panels I was talking about. This panels we are going to apply behind the wall, like on the wall behind the PC we can see, and this is the gum by which we are going to apply it, and this we had to remove again as I said. So yes, I'm really excited. Let's start applying. So finally we are done with our work. Yes, as you all can see, these are the panels, and like seriously, like literally it took us so much of stress, so much of trouble. It was not at all easy. So as you all can see, there are two speakers, there is a plank, and under the plank we thought of adding two lights up here, not below but above the PCs, and it were looking really good. And yes, these are some things because it was not able to stick in the wall, so we tried some things that it will help to stick it. So yes guys, that was it. This is our new setup upgrade 2.0, and I hope you all must have liked this video. And yes, the video is not yet ended, so there is cinematic shots of my setup, so do watch it. And before that I just want to say you all some things, and that is, if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button, because I have, like, my dad have given his best. I have done nothing for this setup. All credit goes to my dad. Thank you so much, Dad, for helping me a lot. All this setup was done by Dad itself. I helped him only about 5%, that's it, and other 95% was done by him, and I appreciate a lot. And yeah, that's it. So now let's check out the cinematic shot.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once, I'm gonna show you all the...
So that's it guys, I hope you all must have liked it. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button. And also do subscribe to my channel because I'm bringing all this amazing content every week. And do comment down below any of the suggestions. If you like this video, I'll do some of the vlogs too related to technology itself. And if you want any upgrade or anything to be changed in my YouTube channel, please do comment down below because I know most of my friends will suggest me or they said me like technology is not too interesting or not too entertainment for them. So I thought why not let's make a vlog